I'm also in app chat. Right here, are you guys ready? Everyone has the mirror on?
Voice echoing. I'm gonna poop my pants.
Alright guys, here we go. What's up, guys? This is Scary Baboon. You know, here, I think we should just get to the point. Let's go. Oh, guys, come on. Are you guys come on?
Let's get to the point.
Yeah, at this point, let's just get to the point. Alright, you guys, come on.
And
run!
I have a cone!
Haha, you have a cone, idiot. You suck. Ian. Oh no, Nox. Okay. Let's just try and like just run. Just run. Just run. Wait, hold up. I'm gonna grab some bribe money so that maybe he won't kill me.
I have to stay in between because you guys have the cone.
Hey Nox, can you like go in there really quick?
Okay. I'll go. No, I'm dead. I'm dying.
Oh no. Crap! Wait, hold up, wait, hey, I got this. Hey, yo, bro, take some bribe money. Yeah, that's what I thought. Take that bribe money. He didn't like my bribe money.
I just saw a leaf.
This ain't good. You guys, come on.
Press the thing.
Press the button!
He's 40 meters.
The bribe money didn't really work
38.
last time.
Wait, take that earlier.
Alright, I'll take it, I guess. He is like 20 meters away. I think we have some time. Turns out we don't have time. No! Oh crap! Where are they? You have got to be kidding me. Open the door!
Look, you have a cone. You can protect yourself. I can't.
Wompity womp womp wompity
Wait, so,
womp.
like,
Alright, over here. Wait, no. Wait, no. Over here.
he's 20. Wow. He's 17.
We may want to... Yeah, Ian, get him with your cone.
There's Dave.
Let's see, the nearest monster is about 3 meters away. Wait, leave it.
You guys. I hate you.
Don't worry, Ian, I'll fend him off. Yeah. That's not good. This is not good. Take that bribe money. Let's take the bribe money. Come on, man. We're going in here. That was probably a horrible idea. Shut the door.
I need a code. You need to go find You really don't.
Just take mine for now.
Yeah,
I
got a cone.
will be a big boy, and I'm gonna go find another cone for you, Nox.
No, it's so I am going to beat you.
Open the door. I'm gonna go find another cone. Okay. Mission analysis. Whatever. Find a cone for Nox. What is bro yapping about?
And his name is John C.
Ian, I could really use you right now. Ooh. Shiny rocks.
Chasing the bag and I'm letting it stack.
Shiny rocks. No. Okay, I got it. Why am I down here?
Lincoln, where did you go?
I tried to find Nox another cone, but I just found this shiny rock.
Like,
Yeah, I don't think we can. What is bro yapping about?